So in this video we are going to see what is the all the procedure required for the preparation of bag, and what are the all procedure to grow and to cultivate a mushroom. So let us begin. So in the lockdown, so we are just talking about mushroom. So I thought that I should start a mushroom cultivation. So we have just called and take recommendation from Star India Biotech, which is whose owner is a he is a PhD student, and he has passed from he did BS PhD in biotechnology from Punjab Agriculture University. So because of their recommendation we have started mushroom cultivation. So I have never such did that type of things like mushroom cultivation. So that was the first time for me to grow a mushroom. So the things what I have ordered from this biotech company, so these is things listed in this invoice. So the first we have ordered formalin, which is a sterilizing agent which is used for sterilization of such materials. And then we have ordered one carry bag. Okay, then third one is Bavestin. What is Bavestin? So Bavestin is a systemic fungicide which is used to kill the spore of fungus, generally poisonous fungus, because we are going to use some paddy straw or wheat straw, and also in wheat or paddy straw there is a lot of fungus spore which are not visible from our unaided eyes. So we are going to use systemic fungicide which kill the spores of that poisonous fungus. And the third one is oyster mushroom. I will show you how it is look like oyster mushroom spawn. So we have generally ordered 5 POCH of order mushroom, and we got a very cheap rate of a spawn. So generally the rate of a spawn is very high, up to 200-300 kgs, but we got in cheap rate up to 100 rupees per kg. So we have ordered 5 kgs. So and next one is PP bag. What is PP bag? I will show you what is PP bag. So it is a sterilized polythene bag which is very clean, where we are going to put all the paddy straw and we are going to distribute all the spawn in this bag. So we have ordered 100 pieces at the rate of 4 rupees per unit. And the next one is thread. So we use thread for packing of the bag. So we have ordered. So these are the things what we have ordered. Next we are going to see how to prepare these things. So after the harvesting of the paddies, many of the farmers in my area or in they are just burning the stubble of the paddy. So we have just thought that we can use this paddy straw for our mushroom cultivation. So these the man who was burning that paddy straw, we just talk them and we ask for to carry all those things. So we have just I have just take my own tractor and I just load it and unloaded it. After 24 hours what I have did, so I have just take a machine which was a diesel engine machine. I have just chop all this paddy straw in 1 to 2 centimeter pieces. So these are many things up to these are you can say it's 100 kg up to. Okay, so the next picture. So I got this paddy straw, you can say I got in the free, because paddy straw, if you are going to buy these things, you are going to see this it's 1500 per so the general rate for paddy or wheat straw is 15 rupees per kg, and we got these things in the free. So that was the that things is going to reduce our cost of cultivations. The next one is this is the pic I have just captured, and this is the main picture. So in the first pack what you are seeing, we have just put all those. So here was a picture of chopped. This is the chopped paddy. Okay, and we are going to use this chopped paddy in. We have just fill all the paddy straw in this gunny bag. After this you can see this is the Bavestin what we have ordered, and this is the formalin which contain 34 to 40% of formaldehyde. And this is the drum. This is the 100 liters of 2 drum. We have taken 200 liters drum. In this drum what we have to do, so we have to use 2 teaspoon of Bavestin and 2 teaspoon of formalin. Okay, so and mix well in this one drum up to 50 liters. So 2 teaspoon and 2 2 teaspoon of bivestin in 50 liters. By this calculation, we have just put this bivestin and formalin. After if you are interested in doing to put some other things, so you can use calcium oxide, which is a quicklime, in which contains there is a chlorine, which is a bactericidal, or sometimes it a fungicidal properties contains in the quicklime. So we have just put a half kg of calcium oxide. Okay, the next one is you have to just put the straw in the gunny bag. After putting of this paidia straw in gunny bag, we have to just drown this gunny bag into fulfill of water. So in this drum there is a 50 liters or 100 liters water, so we have to put all this paddy straw in this drum. Okay, and the next one is what you have to, so after 24 hours you have to take out from the paddy straw from the drum and put it on the floor, and after 1 to 2 hours in the sunlight, we have to spread in the sunlight 1 to 2 hours for drying. After by the practical knowledge, you have to feel the moisture, what percentage of moisture it should be contained. So after 1 hour, so you have to fill this paddy straw in drum for overnight. Okay, then take out paddy straw from drum and put and spread all this paddy straw on the floor for 1 hour to 2 hours for sunlight to conserve some moisture. Okay, then we are going to use some this PP bag. This is the PP bag what we have used. So in this PP bag, it is a large. Okay, I am going to show you how is this. This is a large, and it contains normally 3 to 4 kg of wheat straw or paddy straw. Okay, and this is the spawn. So spawn is embedded with wheat seeds. Okay, so this is the spawn. So if you are order spawn, so you have to give the order 1 day or 2 day before spawn. We can say distribution. So we are going to for example, if you are today is if today is 20 December, so tomorrow after so you have to say or biotech company to prepare the mushroom, and because by your order they are going to prepare, because spawn is a perishable commodities. Okay, so we have to just fill. So how we have to distribute these things? So let us take an example. If it is a PP bag in which contain this all those things, in which contain all this paddy straw, so on the depth of 1 and 2 inch on the regular basis, for example, if it is 8 inch height, example, I am not saying the correct measurement of this skin. For example, if it is 8 inch long polythene, so you have to put paddy straw in up to the length of 2 inch. Every 2 inch we have to distribute the spawn. Okay, how we are going to distribute? So we are going to distribute spawn like this if it is a PP bag. Okay, so after 2 inch we are going to distribute. So this is the things what we have, how we have to distribute the spawn. And after packing or tightening, we have to make holes. So this is the things. So here from where you have distributed, you have to make just some holes. How you have to make holes like just so, because of after 20 to 30 days you are going to see that all those things, for example, I'm going to show you. So these things is the, so after 25 or in the middle of half month, you are going to see all these things, all the spawn have germinated and distributed all over the polythene, and you are going to see white mycelial growth all over the polythene. So this is the good sign for your mushroom cultivation or mushroom germination. So this is the things what I have did. I have learned these things in from our grandfather. So the things you are seeing here. So in this, what we have, it is a skill I have learned in the village itself. So how we have so you don't have to touch this polythene bag to ground, because ground there is itself a lots of spore containing bacteria which infect your polythene, and the room where you are going to germinate, it should be neatly clean, not neatly clean, but try to observe if there is infestation or not infestation. So if there is not an infestation, so there is no any problem. But if there is any infestation of bacteria, fungicide, spores, other spores, so it will be problem for us. Okay, so what I have did, so we have just take the bamboo stick of just 15 inch of bamboo stick we have taken, and we have to make a triangle like this, and we have just drilled by the drill machine. So by the help of drill machine, we have just make the hole here, here, and here. So if so assume if it is one first stick, if it is second stick, and if it is third stick, so this is the first stick. We have to overlap this first stick on the second stick, and we have to overlap this second stick to overlap this second stick and to the third stick, and third stick to one stick. So this is how we have make a triangle, and we have just put these bags on this support. Okay, so by the strength of the rope, so we as the rope I have used, so that was the plastic rope, and the tensile strength of that rope is 15 kg. So we have just put 3 pp bag here, so it's 9 kg. So it's is it not bad for carrying those 9 kgs? So after some time, so if you know about something, so there are 4 phases of growth. So there are 4 phases of growth. The first one is lag, log, stationary, and death phase. So 20 to the preparation 20 to 30 days, the time it taken, that is log phase. After log phase, the growth of the mushroom is very fast. Even you can see the cell division from your unaided eyes. It was very amazing for me to see the cell division without microscope. Okay, so because fungus mycelium is too sensitive from the light. If you are going to even show the screen light of your mobile, the mycelium is going to burn. Okay, so I have seen from the eyes, so that was amazing for me. So if there is log phase, here's a log phase, here's a lag phase, here's log phase, and this is the stationary phase, and this is the death phase. So in the log phase, it take 20 to 30 days. In the log phase, it will take only 5 days to become stationary, and at the period of stationary, we are going to harvest the mushroom. Okay, so this period was for all period is for log phase. So in the log phase, you are going to see all this is the lag phase. So in the lag phase, you are going to see all those mycelial growth over your polythene bag. So after lag phase, this is the first germination, this is the first sign of the germination. So you will be amazed. So if sorry so that was first time for me, so it's like everything is amazing for me. So if this is the first phase, if it is a first day after log phase, what I have seen, if it is the first day, the second day it will germinate like these pictures. It is the picture of third days, it is the picture of fourth day, and it is the picture of fifth day. So you can see after the lag phase here, so after lag phase completed, log phase is only for 5 to 6 days, because the cell division in this time is very fast. Okay, and you can harvest it. It has taken, how much time it has taken for complete? 20 to 30 days. But after 20 to 30 days, it will take only 1 to 5 days for harvesting. Okay, so this is the picture of first day after lag phase. It is the first days, it is the second day, third day, fourth day, or fifth day. So you can see how the fast the mushroom can grow. So the place where I have just cultivated, so this is the mud house, or you can say this is a kacha house. So for mushroom cultivation, we have if there, as we know, it is a light sensitive, so we have to cover all those area, and there is no any we have just made the house like that no any ray can pass through that house. Okay, no any light ray can pass through that house. So we have just covered all those. So you can see here it is the picture of uh, room without flashlight, and this is the picture of with flashlight. So this is the mud house. In this we controlled temperature up to 15 to 25 degrees Celsius is favorable for mushroom growth. Okay, so that was the winter period when we have just prepared the bag. That was the winter period. That was the time for wheat sowing. Okay, and paddy harvesting. So on the paddy harvesting time there was a summer. So we have just prepared the bags. So you have to made a house like that no any sunlight should pass through them. Okay, and the room should be clean. Okay, room should be clean. There is no such, we have just polish all the land material by the calcium oxide, which is a quicklime. But okay, and we have just painted all the walls of the kacha house by the quicklime. Okay, so we have just painted, and we have just did a lot of things for sterilization and for fumigation. We have burned some the egg tray of egg tray. So we have just did a lot of things for sterilization of that room. Okay, so the basically the room should be clean. Okay, and after generation what how many bags I have prepared. So I have prepared sorry. So I have prepared 30 bags of oyster mushroom, in which we have just put the bags 4 day on alternative. We just put the bag in the house after the alternative days. For example, if I have put on Monday I have put 4 bags, so on Tuesday we are going to place 4 bags, on Wednesday I am going to place 4 bags. So that's how we have just placed the mushroom bag in that mud house. So we have just not scarce for that material, because we get sufficient mushroom after alternative days. For example, so I have just, if I have placed this bag on Monday, and I have placed this bag on Wednesday, and I have placed this bag on Friday. So after this harvesting of bag, so if I am made place this bag, so we are getting the mushroom day by day, alternative day, and the productivity as for example, if there is 30 bag, so we get up to 30 kg of mushroom, oyster mushroom. Okay, so we get 30 bags of mushroom. So the for 1 kg the market price is what we are selling 200 rupees per kg. Okay, so 200 rupees per kg, and my investment was just 2000 to 3000 rupees, and I after the calculation we have just get 30 kgs. So we have just our profit is up to 4000 or up to 4500. Okay, so we have just did these things on a smaller scale as an experiment. We have never did this type of things, and as you know, for I have just these things for my parents. My parents were just diabetic patient, and doctor advised to eat mushroom. So I have just think why I cannot grow these things. So I have just tried, and in the first attempt I got that successful, because you know the very problematic things is that everybody know about the mushroom. Everybody know about the mushroom, how it is beneficial for us, but nobody want to try to grow these things, because a lots of technical skills and a lots of knowledge should be required for doing these things. Okay, so many of the I have just many of the people ask, for example, the panchayat where I was living, where I am living. So in these panchayats nobody knows, everybody knows about mushroom, but in this panchayat we are the one who have just grow the mushroom. So everybody is watching what we are doing here, and after successful a lots of people come in the mud house to see how to grow these things. So we have just we have just tried to convince the farmer or the villagers to grow the mushroom. Okay, everybody knows, but nobody wants to do these things because it's very laborious, labor required. Okay, so many of the people come to see the things, how you have managed the mud house, because many of the people came and says that I have also did these things, but we are just failed. All the pedestal was rotten, and we have just waste, that was for waste, for those person. Okay, so again we are going to train the people how to grow the mushroom. So me and my brother, we are going to train the people how to grow the mushroom. So we have just talked about the Star India Biotech to give this material to grow, to train the villagers or rural farmers. Okay, so this is the things what we have done. So, and the things is, I have never grown these things, and first time I have seen how the mushroom is grown. And the next one species we are going to cultivate is button mushroom, because the demand of button mushroom is too high. Okay, after when we are going for marketing of this mushroom, so many of the farmers said that we have never, what is this, what is these things. Many of the farmers and persons says, what is these things, we have seen mushroom, but that was button mushroom. So I have convinced them there are lots of species of button mushroom, like oyster mushroom, portfolio mushroom, sikataka mushroom, and this is the one variety of the one species of mushroom, that is oyster. So we have just succeed in these things, and we are just going to do these things on a large scale, but the investment was too high. For button mushroom it will take 20 to 30 days, and if you want to, so a lot of rich person, a lot of businessmen are doing these things on a large scale area. Okay, so demand of mushroom is too more. Okay, but the things is, who wants to do, and the person who did, they have problem in marketing, where they are going to sell. So we have just faced the problem in the marketing, that where we are going to sell, because we have just daily we are getting 4 to 5 kg. Okay, if we have more, so if we go to market, they said we want 50 kg, because this is the time of wedding, and in wedding the people order 50 kgs, 100 kgs, and we have just 5 kgs. So we have just visited the medical store and the hospital, in the hospital, and from vegetable person to sell my mushroom, I will get I will give you, we are going to sell in 300, going to give you in 200, and the person who is required, they will get the mushroom. So this is the marketing what we have did, and we have just convinced the farmers to eat the mushroom, because it's very beneficial for them, for health benefits. Okay, so this is the things what I have did in this lockdown in free time. So thank you. If you have any question related to this, so just put your question or any suggestions in comment box.